Biology Unit 2, Chapter 2. In this chapter, we will talk about cell ultrastructure. The cell is made up of two main parts, which are cell wall and cell membrane, which surround the cell and enclose all the internal components. Protoplasm includes nucleus and cytoplasm with the all organelles swimming in it. Cell wall and cell membrane. Cell wall, location in plant cells. Structure, cell wall is generally composed of cellulose. Functions: 1. Maintains shape and prevents bursting. 2. Regulates the passage of water and dissolved particles. Cell membrane. Location in plant and animal cells. Structure, a double layer of phospholipids. Hydrophilic heads, soluble in water. Hydrophobic tails, insoluble in water. Functions: 1. Surrounds all cell components. 2. Organize the passage of particles into and out of the cell. 3. Proteins embedded in the membrane help in identifying the cell. 4. Molecules of cholesterol keeps the membrane cohesive and permeable. Protoplasm. 1. Nucleus. Location in plant and animal cells. Structure: nuclear envelope, a double membrane that surrounds the nucleus and separates its components from the cytoplasm. Nucleoplasm, a gelatinous fluid that fills the nucleus and carries chromatin and nucleolus. Nucleus, a spherical object that produces proteins, specifically enzymes and hormones. Chromatin, overlapping coiled chromosomes. Chromosomes, organelles found inside the nucleus, made up of two arms, P short arm and Q long arm. Both arms are attached to each other through centromere. Each chromosome contains DNA coiled around histone proteins. Functions: 1. Control the shape and structure of the cell. 2. Regulate all the activities inside the cell. 3. Carry genetic information that control traits. Cytoplasm, a jelly-like semi-liquid fluid that fills the cell from inside. Contains all the organelles in addition to the cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton, a group of microtubules that support the cell membrane from inside and prevent it from collapsing. Cell organelles. Organelles are divided into two types. Membranous organelles, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes, mitochondria, vacuoles, and plastids. Non-membranous organelles, ribosomes and centrosomes. First, non-membranous organelles. 1. Ribosomes. Location in plant and animal cells. Function: producing proteins. 2. Centrosomes. Location: animal cell only. Structure: made up of two centrioles. Each is made up of 9 microtubules arranged in a cylindrical shape. Function: they produce spindle filaments during cell division. First, membranous organelles. Endoplasmic reticulum. Location in plant and animal cells. Structure: interconnected network of flattened sacs or tubules. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth, has no ribosomes on its surface. Rough, has ribosomes on its surface. Functions: smooth endoplasmic reticulum. 1. Synthesize, modify, and transport lipids and carbohydrates. 2. Break down toxins to reduce its harmful effect. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. Synthesize, modify, and transport proteins. Golgi body. Location, plant and animal cells. Structure, an organelle made of flattened sacs called cisternia. Function, involved in collecting, packaging, and transporting molecules. Lysosomes. Location, animal cell only. Structure, spherical molecules surrounded by a single membrane containing a large range of digestive enzymes. Function, enzymes primarily used for digestion and removal of excess of worn-out organelles, food particles, and engulfed viruses of bacteria. Mitochondria. Location, plant and animal cells. Structure, a spherical or rod-shaped organelle with its own DNA. It has a smooth outer membrane and folded inner membrane. Folds are called cristae. Function, it's the powerhouse of the cell, as it produces energy through converting glucose into ATP. Vacuoles. Location, plant and animal cells. Structure, in animal cells, vacuoles are large in number and small in size, while in plant cells, it's only one large vacuole. Function, to store material like water, salt, and proteins. Plastids. Location, plant cells only. Structure, double membrane structure with internal stacks of membranous discs. Contains a green pigment called chlorophyll. Function, site of photosynthesis. Captures energy from the sun and changes it into food for plants. Types of plastids. Lycoplasts. Colorless, present in potatoes' roots and cabbage leaves, used in storing starch. Chromoplasts. Colored plastids, as it contains carotenoids. Present in flowers' petals. It gives the plants unique colors. Chloroplasts. Green plastids, as it contains chlorophyll. Present in leaves and stems. Location of photosynthesis.